Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing three F1s. Unfortunately, I don't have a product page to show for these, so let's just get right into these boxes. These were ordered from Thick Thack Thok. You may know him from Instagram or more likely from Twitch. He proxies a lot of Korean boards, so I will put his Discord down in the description for anybody that may be interested in getting a board from him in the future. Let's get right into these things. If you happen to hang out in my Twitch stream, you probably know I've been waiting a few months for these. One of these is going to be for a client, and two of them are for myself. I got an 8K and an 8X F1, so I will be doing the Snow Edition build after I can get some snow PCBs. Hopefully, should be getting those next month. There's a lot of tape here to cut off, sorry. I am going to be taking these boards to Knee Deep this weekend to get them patinaed. So I'm not sure how long it will take to get them back from him, but it looks like this one is for the client. Let's pop into here. Oh, let's get this so you can see what's going on. So this one's for the client. Let's pop into it first here. So it looks like he did go with the carbon bag. Unfortunately, this box got a little torn here in the corner. Oh, both corners, but it should be fine. I can always swap it out with one of my boxes when I go to ship it to the client. So let's see what this one looks like. So he did get the carbon style bag. And inside of here we've got screws, more screws. Here we have an aluminum plate, the gaskets, I guess. It's not a traditional like foam gasket, it's just like a rubber type gasket that you will cut to put in there. So we've got those. As far as plates and PCBs, this will be the only ones I open up because they'll all be the same. I did purchase some aftermarket palm plates that I will likely be building these with. So it looks like he got two PCBs here with his, and this is the Galatea, or I believe that's how it's pronounced, the Galatea. I don't know. But so this is Geon's probably most popular, well-known PCBs, which do support an F12 WinKey or an F13 WinKeyless layout. Unfortunately, this PCB does not work with the 8K F1. So I am going to have to wait on PCBs till I can build out the snow one. But these are raw alu bottoms. So as you can see, bottom raw alu, which these will be getting, all three of these will be getting finished by Knee Deep. Piece of styrofoam inside. So this is a white top here on this one. This is the 8X, the normal F1 that most people think of when they think of the F1. Brass weights inside. And let's get into the other two here and check them out. Once I get these back and finished, I will do another video showing the work that Knee Deep did on them. So make sure that you like and subscribe so that you do not miss those videos. I don't want to cut too deep because I don't want to cut those cases by chance. That's another reason why I didn't use my razor knife. I was like, I'll have a little more control over the scissors. So this is one of my personal F1s here. Let's see. Not sure if this is going to be the 8X or the 8K. And I'll put all of his stuff back in here after this video. Just side. Let let's see what this guy looks like. Like I said, it's going to be the same PCBs. This one, I think I did not order plates with mine because, like I said, I was going with palm plates. So I've got no plate here. Come on. Those things definitely stick on pretty good there. So this one here is the Snow Edition, the 8K. As you can see, it's got the little snowflake here. And this is a gray silver colored top. It'll have, with the Snow PCB, it'll have LEDs that illuminate underneath of the snowflake. And it is also a raw alu bottom, like the other ones that we opened a moment ago. So let's set this one aside and pop into the last one. I really honestly don't remember what color I ordered. So I knew that I ordered a silver. I think I might have ordered a white or a blue. I don't know where I'm getting blue from. It's likely white, but did order these a few months ago. It took a little while for John, or Thick That Thought, to get everything together and shipped. He shipped out, I believe, gosh, I want to say like 100 of these. So there was quite a few available in that drop. Yeah, he proxies a lot of different Korean boards. I've seen him proxy Geonworks boards before, but he's most well known for the Geonworks stuff. I don't know if he's going to continue doing that since Geon has launched a store now. I imagine so. Okay, I guess I ordered two different cases, because this one is not the carbon case. Because I did go back and add the second board later. I originally had ordered two tops and one base, so I went back and ordered the second one later. Guessing the PCB is in there for this one, since that one actually is the one that uses the Snow PCB. Which to go back and double check to make sure that, yeah, so it's white. So this one is just like the other F1 there, with the white top, the raw alu bottom, and the brass weights. So that is it for the three F1s. I have been pretty stoked on getting an F1 for a while. I'm glad that I was finally able to obtain them. These were considered B stock, but from preliminary looks at them here, I don't see anything that would make it anything less than A stock. I believe they probably classify them as B stock because of the raw alu bottoms, and it's scratching so easily. You can see the machining works on there when the light hits it right. Camera's not really catching it, but let's see if I can get it up there so you can see like machining works there. That's probably what makes it B stock, but since I will be finishing them, that's not relevant in this case. So thanks for hanging out, guys, checking out these three F1s. Looking forward to building these. Not sure what the fulfillment time is for Knee Deep, but I will be going to see him this weekend. Hopefully I can get a tour of his collection, because I know he's got some awesome stuff. I will include the Discord link for Thick That Thought's Discord for anybody that's interested in finding out more about his Korean proxy service, and I'll probably add a link to Knee Deep as well. So if anyone's interested in getting their boards finished, I'm sure most of you are probably aware of who he is. But I think it's about time we close this video out. I want to say thanks so much for hanging out and watching this unboxing with me. I appreciate you being here. I hope to see you in the next one, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week. See ya.